Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you EVS and we are going to study chapter number 1818. So, take out your books and open page number 9898. The name of the chapter is Directions and Time. Today we are going to study about directions, that how many types of direction are there and how to know the time. Okay, let's see. Direction. Have you ever got lost in a mall? Are you scared when you are lost on the road or in a fair? You will never get lost if you know the directions. Yes, children, it's normal whenever we go to new place or whenever we go to mall or at any other place which is a busy place, we get lost. Do you get scared when you get lost? Yes, but today I will tell you a new way that how to find your way without getting lost. Let's see how to find way. We should know the directions to a place to get there. Before we understand directions, it is important to learn about sides. Children, before knowing about the directions, we should know about sides. Now, what are sides? Let's see. Up, down, in front, behind, right and left are called sides. Now, children, there are different sides: up, down, right, left, in front and behind. These all are sides. If you will get to know about sides, then you will never get lost at any place. Now let us learn about the directions. North, south, east and west are the 4 directions. Now how many directions are there, children? 4. North, south, east and west. You can see the picture also. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Where sun rises? The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So, if you face the sun in the morning, you face east. Children, if we face towards the sun in the morning, we face towards the east. Like sun is here, so I am facing towards east. West is behind you. Now, west is behind me because sun sets in the west. Sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. North is towards your left shoulder and south is towards your right shoulder. Now children, as I told you, if I am facing towards the sun, so sun is in front of me, sun is in, this is east, behind me is west, on the left hand side it is north and on the right hand side it is south. I hope it is clear to you. What are the 4 directions? North, south, east and west. Now let us know one fact. The word news comes from north, east, west, south. Okay, the word new, where does the word news come from? The word news comes from north, east, west and south. Now after studying about directions, let us study about time. We use the clock and calendar to know time. Yes, we use clock and calendar to know time. The clock has a face and 2 hands. The clock has face and 2 hands. Children, you can see this is clock. It has face and 2 hands, 1 and 2. The long hand is called the minute hand. The short hand is called the hour hand. Now children, clock has 2 hands. This you can see, this long hand. This long hand is called minute hand and this short hand is called hour hand. This is a clock, you can see. It has its face. This is the face of the clock. It has 2 hands. Long hand, this is called minute hand and short hand, it is called hour hand. This clock is also having third hand. that is called. Okay children, now the clock which I showed you, it has third hand also, and this third hand is called second hand. Now let us move further. We call time as AM or PM on the clock. The time changes from AM to PM at noon. That is middle of the day. Now children, we have 24 hours in a day. From midnight 12 to morning 12, that is called AM. And after 12 o'clock in the morning, after 12, it is called middle of the day, and it is called PM till midnight 12. So we have 24 hours, 12 hours are AM and 12 hours are PM. Now before moving towards calendar, let us revise a short clip on time.
A clock has numbers from 1 to 12 marked on its face. A clock has two hands. The long hand is the minute hand. The short hand is the hour hand. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. There are 24 hours in 1 day.
Okay children, so what we just saw about time, that we have a clock has a face and two hands. Long hand is called minute hand and short hand is called hour hand. We have 24 hours in a day. And what numbers we have in clock? It is marked from 1 to 12. Now the calendar tells us the days and dates. Now calendar tells us what? Calendar tells us days and dates. With the help of calendar, what we get to know? We get to know what is the day today or what is the date today. Day means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and date is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. We can read the days of the week and the months of the year in the calendar. Now yes, we have months of the year also. We have 12 months in a year, like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. And days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And the last day is Sunday, that is a day of holiday. There are 7 days in a week. As I told you just now, there are 7 days in a week. There are 12 months in a year. Now how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Now fact, Sunday is a holiday all over the world. As I told you just now, Sunday last day of the week and it's a holiday all over the world. Let's summarize what we learned in the previous part of the video for this chapter. We discussed about different directions, we discussed about sides and we discussed about calendar and time. Now what are sides? Sides means up, down, right, left, in front and behind are called sides. Then we learned about directions. There are 4 directions. If we are facing towards sun, that is east, because sun rises in the east. Behind is west. On the left hand side it is north and on the right hand side it is south. We learned about clock, that a clock has a face and 2 hands. One is long hand is called minute hand and short hand is called hour hand. Now how we get to know about time? How to know about time? In clock it is marked from 1 to 12. We have 24 hours in a day. From midnight 12 to noon 12 it is called AM, and after 12 to midnight 12 again it is called PM. And we studied about calendar. Now from calendar we can see days and dates. It is marked from months of a year and days of the week. We can know days of the week and months of the year through calendar. Now we have 7 days in a week and we have 12 months in a year. I hope you have understood this. Now let's switch to bookwork. Open page number 100. Now children, Write the days of the week from the class calendar here. Here we have to write the days of the week. We have 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now next question. Write the months of the year from the class calendar here. Here also we have to write the months of year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now let's see children how to write these words, how to write the days of the week and how to write the months of year. Okay, first we will write days of the week. First is Monday, page number 100. M will be capital, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Next, Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. W will be capital. In Tuesday, T will be capital. Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. T will be capital. After Thursday, what comes? Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Next is Saturday. F will be capital. Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. S will be capital children, and the last day is Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. What are all these? These are days of the week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Now next question is we have to write the months in a year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Let's start. First is January, J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. First word will be capital, J will be capital. Second is February, F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. F will be capital children. Next is March, M-A-R-C-H, March. M will be capital. After March, April, A-P-R-I-L, April. A will be capital. After April, May, M-A-Y, May. M will be capital. And after May, June, J-U-N-E, June. J will be capital. What comes after June? July, J-U-L-Y, July. After July, August, A-U-G-U-S-T, August. A will be capital. After August, September, S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September. And after September, S will be capital children. After September, October, O-C-T-O-B-E-R. After October, November, N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R, N will be capital. And last is December, D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. D will be capital. All the first letters will be capital. Children, I hope you have understood days of the week and months of the year. Now let's switch to next question. Now open page number 101. Question A, fill in the blanks. Here we have to fill in the blanks. First, dash, dash, dash and dash are directions. Now, how many directions are there? 4. What are the 4 directions? North, south, east and west. All the 4 letters in the starting will be capital. Number 2, the sun rises in the dash and sets in the dash. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So, east and west. We use the dash and dash to know time. By which things we can know time? By clock and calendar. So, clock and calendar, we can know time by the use of clock and calendar. Number 4, the clock has dash hands. Now, how many hands clock has? Clock has 2 hands, minute hand and hour hand. 5th, the calendar tells us dash and dash. What calendar tells us? Calendar tells us days and dates. So, we will write days and dates. Last, there are dash months in a year. Now, how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Now, let us see how to write these words, children. Okay, children, now let us see how to write page number 101. Let us see question first. Number 1, dash, dash, dash and dash are the directions. North, N will be capital, N-O-R-T-H, north. South, S will be capital, S-O-U-T-H, south. East, E-A-S-T, east. And west, W-E-S-T, west are directions. N, S, E, W, all these will be in capital. Number 2, the sun rises in the dash and sets in the dash. The sun rises in the east, E-A-S-T, east, E will be capital, and the sun sets in the west, W-E-S-T, west, W will be capital. Number 3, we use the dash and dash to know time. We use clock and calendar. C-L-O-C-K, clock, and calendar, C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R, calendar. Number 4, the clock has dash hands. How many hands clock has? The clock has 2 hands, T-W-O-2. Next, number 5, the calendar tells us dash and dash. What calendar tells us? The calendar tells us days and dates. So, D-A-Y-S, days, and D-A-T-E-S, dates. Number 6, there are dash months in a year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. I hope you have understood this bookwork. Now, let us switch to next question. Okay, children. Now, next question is, draw the time in these clocks. Now, clocks are given over here. Time is mentioned. We have to draw the hands of the clock in this. 7:30. Now, 7:30 means short hand between 7 and 8, and minute hand will be on 6. This is 7:30. Next is 12 noon. So, when it is 12 noon, or what will be there? Minute hand and hour hand will be on 12. You can see short hand, this is hour hand, and long hand, this is minute hand. So, both will be on 12. Next is 6 o'clock. So, 6 o'clock means time is 6. So, short hand, that is hour hand, will be on 6 and is 6 o'clock, and so the long hand, that is minute hand, that will be on 12. So, the time is 6 o'clock. Next is 10:15. So, time is, hour is 10 and minutes is 15. So, 10 hour hand, short hand will be on 10, and 15 long hand, that is minute hand, it will be on 3. I hope you have understood this time. Now let's switch to notebook work. Chapter 18, Directions and Time. Answer the following questions. Question first, how does the sun help us to know directions? Explain through diagram. Now children, here we have to explain through diagram that how sun help us to know directions. You can see this sun. When we face towards sun, like you can see in the picture, if I am facing towards the sun like this, I am facing towards the sun like this. So this is east because sun rises in the east. This is west. Behind me is west. North on the left hand side and south on the right hand side. So this is sun. East means sun rises in the east. Behind east it is west because sun sets in the west. On the left side it is north and on the right side it is south. I hope this diagram is clear to you. Now children, let's switch to next question. What are called sides? Now what are called sides? What are the different sides? Up, down, in front, behind, right and left are called sides. Now we have different sides like up, down, right, left, in front and behind. All these are called sides. So children, I hope you have understood this chapter well. This book work and notebook work. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.